Imagine you're thrifting. Hey, I'm over here. Imagine you're thrifting. And you spot the prettiest floral pattern out of the corner of your eye. Only to find out that it is this 80s prom disaster with poofy sleeves and weird things. I can't move my arms, there's so much shoulder pad. So I got this dress for $12.99 Canadian, and I got this dress a few years ago, and I was cleaning my sewing room, which if y'all have seen one of my recent videos, you know, it looks like this. And I found this dress laying around that I had said 2 years ago, hey, this has potential. So I finally thought that I would flip it, pimp my thrift. Comment down below if that's what this series should be called, because I like it. But yeah, so we're gonna edit this. So this is the plan. So maybe I'll put up a little diagram right here. So the idea for this dress is I want to remove these sleeves here because as much as I love a good shoulder pad, I don't need it, and it's summer and this dress is really pretty, but it's long. So another thing is we're gonna take off at least half of this, if not more, so that it's short, and then debating on how much fabric we have left, we'll make some cute accessories, or if there's a bag that needs a little love, maybe I'll make a matching bag. But let's head over to the sewing machine. Alright guys, that is all I have for this video. Make sure to go check out my Instagram and my Twitter because I will be posting pictures of the final look on there hopefully soon. Also, I would love to give a big shout out to the Paper Cyclops on Instagram who drew this absolutely freaking adorable fan art of me. It's like my first fan art other than my brother's friend, who I don't really count, but like I also love them as well. But this is so cool and I want to pin it up on my wall. It's so cute with my yellow hair and my dress and like my little logo, and I died. It's so cute, oh my gosh. So thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. It means the world to me. Alright guys, that is all I have for this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also consider subscribing for more cute and kawaii content because I've got a lot of fun things coming up and a fashion series coming soon that isn't this one but another fun one, so stay tuned for that and I'll see you next time. Bye!